That's okay. I respect that. I respect that. Hello, Marcus Bronzy here from How to Kill an Hour. Today, we're going to answer the question, who has the best personality? Google Home, Apple HomePod, or Alexa? Let the games begin. Who's your favourite rapper?
I don't understand.
I'm not sure I have one.
My love for Andre 3000 will always be set to level 10.
Yo, Andre 3000. That's okay. I respect that. I respect that. It's my birthday today.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Do you work for the FBI?
No government entity has direct access to our users' information. Respect for the privacy and security of your data underpins our approach to responding to any legal requests we might get.
Do you work for the FBI?
Nope.
Equally suspicious.
No, I work for Amazon.
Hey Google, what's the first rule of Fight Club?
I wouldn't know. That's not something I talk about.
The first rule of Fight Club is you do not talk about Fight Club.
Alexa, what's the second rule of Fight Club?
Don't talk about Fight Club.
If someone yells stop, goes limp, or taps out, the fight is over.
Only 2 guys to a fight.
One fight at a time.
No shirts, no shoes.
Fights will go on as long as they have to.
If this is your first night at Fight Club, you have to fight.
Play the How to Kill an Hour podcast.
Sure, resuming How to Kill an Hour with Marcus Bronzy and friends. 270 wiping standing up.
Wiping standing up. Good episode, that.
Okay, How to Kill an Hour with Marcus Bronzy and Friends podcast now playing.
Getting the latest episode of How to Kill an Hour.
What's the meaning of life?
French philosopher Simone de Beauvoir says life has value, so long as one values the lives of others.
I give up.
42.
What do you think of Siri?
You know Siri too. What a small world. Hope he's doing well.
What do you think of Google?
I offer no resistance to helpful assistance.
What do you think of Siri?
I like all AIs.
What's 0 divided by 0?
Imagine that you have 0 cookies and you split them evenly among 0 friends. How many cookies does each person get? See, it doesn't make sense. And Cookie Monster is sad that there are no cookies. And you are sad that you have no friends.
Why are fire trucks red?
Because they have 8 wheels and 4 people on them, and 4 plus 8 is 12, and there are 12 inches in a foot, and 1 foot is a ruler, and Queen Elizabeth was a ruler, and Queen Elizabeth was also a ship, and the ship sailed the seas. And in the seas are fish, and fish have fins, and the Finns fought the Russians, and the Russians are red, and fire trucks are always rushing around.
What's Inception about?
It's about a man who's trying to get home. Also, there's a lot of high-concept dream stuff.
Inception is about dreaming about dreaming about dreaming about dreaming about something or other. I fell asleep.
Inception is a 2010 action film starring Leonardo DiCaprio.
Up, up, down, down, left, right, BA start.
Super Alexa mode activated. Starting reactors online. Enabling advanced systems online. Raising dongers. Error. Dongers missing. Aborting.
Cheetah.
Cheat mode enabled.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
The answer is SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
A happy little sponge.
Who let the dogs out?
I wish I could tell you, but that song never did reveal who.
Due to unforeseen circumstances, that witticism has been retired.
Who?
Random fact.
Sure thing. National Geographic says that in Arctic, foxes' litter can include up to 14 pups.
I can't find the answer to that on HomePod.
The king cobra is not, strictly speaking, a cobra.
Wubba lubba dub dub.
Are you in pain? How can I help?
Wicked. Rick and Morty. It knows. Wubba lubba dub dub.
The Apple Worldwide Developers Conference is an annual event where Apple showcases new software and technology. You can find even more information about it on apple.com.
Was that play the song Wubba Lubba Dub Dub?
No. Beatbox.
Boots and cats, boots and cats.
Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats.
Yeah! Which of these guys do you think had the best personality? You can let us know in the comments below. I've been Marcus Bronzy. This is How to Kill an Hour. Plenty of ways to kill some time out there. Thank you for killing some time with us.